Hi. Much has been spoken about the milk, the disadvantages of the milk. In fact, many people say that the milk is not required for the adults at all. Only the children below probably 3 years have the necessary digestive system to digest the milk, and the adults do not. And you can see it, like as the children grow, and if you try to forcibly feed the child with milk, very few children like milk per se on their own. I mean, unless you have mixed some great thing in it to make it very tasty. Generally, children do not like milk. So why to feed them forcibly? So I have a disclaimer. I am not a nutritionist. I am not a medical practitioner. I am just a common man, and I only pray that the common sense prevails and in common men. So in that, by that common sense, I would like to clarify certain things here, how I perceive. So the milk is not actually required. Probably you can use the milk products. The yogurt is the best one to avoid the milk. If you want to avoid the milk for whatever disadvantages it has its own allergies. It has apart from the the bad part of the ingredients that are there in the milk, how the milk is produced, that also has to be seen. So these days, as everybody knows, that a lot of hormones are given to the cattle, a lot of unethical practices are there in order to produce the milk. So just think that whatever is produced in bulk, and in order to cater to the bulk, there is a lot of corruption into it, there is a lot of mafia into it, there is a lot of money that is gone into it. That is the reason why they promote that particular product more and more, and we gullible people, we tend to buy it. So we think that there is no alternative to the milk. There are lot of alternatives. So let us try to look at it this, that what is that the milk has to give to the body. It's calcium, mainly the calcium. So it strengthens the bone and the teeth, right? So we just have to do a little bit of research on this, like what are the other things that can give us the calcium. For example, I would say that most of the fruits have the calcium. Ragi has the maximum amount of calcium. Sesame seeds, they have the calcium. And if we have to give something in the form of milk only, there are other alternative ways of making the milk, like coconut milk is there, almond milk is there. You can make at home in front of your eyes, you can make it, and then you can give it to the children. If you think that they are like little expensive, then there are other economical alternatives are there, such as Ashgard. Ashgard has great medicinal values for the body. It also has rich calcium. So it is said to be having about 19 milligrams. So if you see the milligram requirement of the body, the babies that are like 6 months below, they need only 200 milligrams, not grams, milligrams of calcium in the body. The children above 3 years, they need about 1000 to 1300 milligrams only. So below 3 years, maybe around 700 milligrams. So that's all it is required, and there are multiple ways of doing it. On ragi, there are lots and lots of recipes for the children that can be used with the ragi, and even the government has announced that the ragi has to be promoted very in a it has to be promoted highly these days after the COVID has come in. So one more thing I wanted to highlight here is that the children do not know anything. The body automatically responds to whatever it is fed to them. So if you give a fruit, I am just talking about the unadulterated mind of the child. Like if you give something that is available in the market and that is laced with the additives in order to make it very tasty for the children, and if the body and the tongue is adjusted to that, and if you give anything natural, then the children say no. I am not talking about that. If assuming that the children have started having very natural food right from the beginning, so the Ashgard juice is for example. The children, if you try to give them now, they may not like it because they have already tasted much better things which are artificially produced. But if you early on, if you give the very natural fruits and the juices like this to the children, the body will like it. Similarly, as I said, the child after certain age starts to dislike the milk because of the very taste of it. I mean, I have never in my knowledge, I have not drank milk after I gained my consciousness, in the sense, after I started understanding the things, I have not liked the milk at all. I have to drink it whenever there is some emergency or something, then I take it, otherwise I do not. So, the body itself is the biggest judge. So, the body says it all. So, likewise, and I have shown how to make the ashgard juice. There are two ways of making it, one is a sweet and another one is a salted one. For the salted one, all you need to mix is ginger, lime and pepper, salt. These are the things that are to be mixed along with the ashgard for the salted one, and for the sweet one replace that with the jaggery. So, the jaggery one is shown over here. Please have a look, and then you can give this to the children also about 3 years. Ashgard, one cup of 1 glass of ashgard juice every day. It will help in a great way. It will also increase the memory power in the children. Try it, and you can also Google it if you want. Thank you.